Hello and welcome to Unit 9. Today we are going to study lessons 4, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Starting with our vocabulary. But first I have to remind you of the name of the unit is adventure. So let's start our vocabulary. First word we have is postcard. Postcard. Postcard is a card used for sending messages. A card used for sending messages. Postcard. Towel. 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 Towel is a piece of cloth or paper used for drying things. Towel is a piece of cloth or paper used for drying things. A newspaper. A newspaper. A set of large printed sheets of paper containing news, ads, etc. Newspaper. A set of large printed sheets of paper containing news, ads, etc. British. British. British is the nationality or something connected with the United Kingdom. So, British is the nationality of England or Britain or connected with the United Kingdom. The British Museum. Presentation. Presentation. Presentation is the act of showing something to someone. The act of showing something to someone is presentation. Challenge. Challenge. Challenge, a new or difficult task that tests someone's ability or skill. A new or difficult task that tests someone's ability or skill. Challenge. Protect. Protect means look after or keep safe. Protect. Transport. Transport. Transport is a system for carrying people or goods using vehicles, roads, etc. Transport. Mirror. 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 A piece of flat glass that reflects image so that you can see yourself. Mirror. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed. To put on clothes or wear it. Get dressed. Dry. Dry. Dry means not wet. Photo album. Photo album. Photo album. A book with collection of photos placed inside. A book with a collection of photos placed inside. Email. Email. A way of sending messages and data to other people. Email. A way of sending messages and data to other people. Letter. 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 A message that is written down on a paper and usually put it in an envelope and sent to somebody. Letter. Magazine. 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 A type of large thin box containing articles, photographs. Magazine is a type of large thin book containing articles and photographs. Magazine. Now let's move to the language notes. To. To at the end of affirmative comes at the end of the affirmative sentence. For example, I'm a bit frightened, but I'm excited too. To means also. And we use the verb sound plus the adjective. Sound means seems. For example, the math homework sounds easy today. The math homework sounds easy today. Would rather. Would rather is followed by the infinitive. I'd rather eat fruit. It means prefer. Look forward to. Look forward to is an expression followed by the verb plus ing. For example, I am looking forward to seeing you again. The word love. The word love is followed by the verb plus ing or followed by noun. I love being by the sea. I love being by the sea. I love swimming. Okay, making suggestions. Making suggestions, we use let's plus the infinitive. For example, let's play tennis. Let's play tennis. Or how or what about plus the verb plus ing. How about playing basketball? What about swimming? Or we use why don't we plus the infinitive. For example, why don't we go windsurfing? Why don't we go windsurfing? Or shall we plus the infinitive. Shall we go diving? Shall we go diving? We use collocations with make. For example, make notes, make a sentence, make a special present for, or make a photo album, or make a presentation, or make suggestion. Now let's move to the last part, and it's the grammar part. Today we are going to study the reflexive pronoun. The reflexive personal pronouns. As we see here, that the personal pronoun or the subject pronouns are I, you, the singular pronoun, or you, the plural pronoun, he, she, it, we, and they. Okay, so here we have a printing mistake, so it's they, not them. We use the reflexive pronoun to say that the subject himself did the action. The subject himself did the action. Okay? To make sure that, or to assure that the subject did the action by himself. For example, I have told myself that a couple of times. Okay? Mary cheated to herself. We thanked ourselves for attending the meeting on time. We thanked ourselves for attending the meeting on time. They managed themselves very well as members of the conference panel. Again, we use the reflexive pronouns as shown in the picture. I turns to myself, you, yourself, you, the plural, yourselves, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, they, not them, themselves. We use them to assure that the doer of the action is the subject himself. And I hope that was useful for you. Thanks for your listening, and meet you next time, inshallah. Thank you.